Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans trading higher while wheat finished the day lower. Wheat was most likely lower due to the record crop produced up in Canada that Statistics Canada reported yesterday that we talked about in yesterday's report. So that's likely what sent the wheat market lower. Some technical rallying and short covering in the corn and bean markets yesterday. So moving forward today, had export sales out this morning. As far as that goes, you had corn and wheat missing trade expectations while beans were on the upper end of the trade expectations. So nothing major to report there, although it was kind of surprising to see corn and wheat as low as they were and missing trade expectations by as much as they did. If you want the absolute specifics on those, head over to grainanalyst.com. Those are there for you. So moving forward today, corn market's got some decent news out there. There's worry that exporters could stop selling corn to China due to the fact that they're rejecting so many cargoes and containers and are having to sell them at a deep discount to other importers over on the Far East. So might see a lot less corn exports due to that. It's something to keep your eye on moving forward, as it will have an effect on the market. We've also got the EPA holding a hearing today through big ag players and then also energy and oil conservationists on facts of where this new EPA proposal could go as far as corn-based ethanol goes. So be interesting to see what we've got here. Won't get any major news out of it. It's likely something we won't know about, whether it goes into law or not, until the spring. But they're going to allow them to do some bidding today and get their point across as why they do believe that the mandate should not be lowered. Fact is, though, we're kind of at the blend wall now. We're using less and less gasoline as cars become more fuel efficient. So it'd be something to keep your eye on, but I might be falling on deaf ears. So we'll have to see how that plays out moving forward. Other than that, that's all we've got today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.